Hi guys, welcome to our video on the 5 most advanced robots in the world. Robots have come a long way since their inception, and today they are capable of performing tasks that were once thought impossible. From humanoid robots to drones. These machines are revolutionizing the way we live and work. In this video, we will explore the reasons behind their advancements and how they are changing our world. So sit back and enjoy as we take you on a journey through the world of robotics. Number 1. Atlas Robot, developed by Boston Dynamics. Atlas is a humanoid robot that can perform complex tasks such as walking on uneven terrain, opening doors, and even doing backflips. Its advanced sensors and control systems allow it to adapt to its environment and perform tasks with precision. Number 2. Sophia Robot, created by Hanson Robotics. Sophia is an advanced social robot that can interact with humans through natural language processing and facial recognition technology. It has the ability to express emotions and learn from its interactions with humans. Number 3. Spot Robot, another creation of Boston Dynamics. Spot can navigate difficult terrain and perform tasks such as carrying heavy loads or inspecting hazardous environments. Its advanced mobility and dexterity make it useful in a variety of industries. Number 4. Pepper Robot, developed by SoftBank Robotics. Pepper is a humanoid robot designed for use in customer service roles. It can recognize human emotions through facial recognition technology and respond appropriately, making it an advanced tool for improving customer experience. Number 5. Robo, developed by researchers at Harvard University. Robo is a tiny flying robot that mimics the behavior of bees in nature. Its small size and agility make it useful for tasks such as pollination or environmental monitoring in hard-to-reach areas. Its advanced design allows it to fly autonomously without the need for external control systems. As we continue to develop new technologies and push the limits of what's possible, it's exciting to think about what the future holds for robotics. Who knows what amazing machines we'll see next. One thing is for sure, they'll be smarter, faster, and more capable than ever before. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe.